everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself Aishwarya Saxena, and I hope you are a subscriber of this channel. So we were working on the Python file handling series, and we were working on the programs related to file handling in Python. I hope you have watched the previous videos. So we have seen that what are the different basic operations which we can perform when we are working on the file handling: read, write, execute, append, text mode, binary mode, and the plus symbol that denotes the read and write mode. So these all things and many more things I will be covering in this particular playlist, in this particular series. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel, because a lot of important content is going to be it will be coming very soon. So stay tuned. So I had created this particular file. You can see the content here. In the previous videos, I have discussed about the read operation, basically. Only the read operations we have done till now. So the opening of the file and reading it we have done. And now I am creating one more file here, Pro3. And in this particular program, in this particular video, we are going to start with writing in files. So writing in files. And this, you remember, this W, that means open a file for writing. So R for open a file for reading, W open a file for writing. So we will be doing now this particular thing. Suppose I am opening a file, and I know that we are having a file abc.txt. Okay. And now here I am taking W, that means write mode. F.write is used to write in the file, and here I am writing my name is Aishwarya. Okay, and now the best approach, the best practice, that whenever we are opening a file, we should close it. Okay, now remember, we are opening this file for writing in this, and we are already having content in this file. Okay, we are already having content in this file. But what will happen now? I am telling you previously, as soon as I will run this file, that content will be overwritten, because I am not using append mode, I am using write mode. So in the case of write mode, the content will be overwritten. It will not consider the previous content in the file. So I am just running it. And here you can see we have not got anything because we are not reading it right now. You can see we are writing it here. Let's check the file, and here you can see the content is overwritten and my name is Aishwarya Saxena is in front of you. So the content which we wrote in this file, let's change it to confirm it. So here I have written Fame World Educational Hub in the right command this time, and here in our file it's written my name is Aishwarya Saxena. And I'm just going to run this particular program, and let's check this file, and here you can see Fame World Educational Hub is now written in this particular file. So it's simple, really simple to write in the file. A new file will be created if we are not taking a name which is there. Suppose here I am just changing to XYZ. Okay, so we are not having any file with XYZ right now. So if we were having any file and it was having any content, so that content will be overwritten when we are using the write operation. But if I am taking some file which is not even existing, so what will happen? So here you can see a new file is created, XYZ, and it is having this content now. So let's try this once again. I'm just taking all of these things. Let's copy this one, and this time I am taking this here. So I have taken this content in my file. Okay, and let's make it single quotes, because double quotes are there inside that statement. Okay, let's take one line. Yeah, now it's better. Looking better. Yeah. So this I am just going to write in our file. This I am going to write in our file. And in which file? In the XYZ file. Okay, I'm just deleting this XYZ file. Okay, this time I'm just deleting this file for you. Okay, So now here you can see that this XYZ file is deleted from here. Now I'm going to write this statement in the file xyz.txt, but it is not here in our folder. So as soon as I will run this particular program, you can see XYZ file is created and this text must be there. Let's open it, and here you can see the text is here. So a new file will be created and the text will be saved in that. If a file was existing, so the text will be overridden. So like that, the same thing if we are like in ABC file, there is Fameword Educational Hub this time. You can see this Fameword Educational Hub is in the abc.txt file. And now if I am just changing this to ABC and I am just running it once again, so now this ABC file will also be having the same text which we have provided here in the write function. So I hope these two things are clear. The main 2 points are in writing in a file that a new file will be created and the text will be saved in that if there is no existing file of the name which we are saying. And if we if a file was existing, so the text will be overwritten. I hope this much is clear. In the next video we will be seeing the append operations. I hope this much is clear and you are understanding the things. If there is any query, you can just put up your query in the comment section. You can also connect Fameword Educational Hub on Instagram and Facebook page, and you can join the WhatsApp group of Fameword Educational Hub. The link is in the description, so you are most welcome. See you in the next video.